Because home is where the heart is. That's why we want to style it the way we love it. And it's all about having that comfort, that joy, and that serenity that we all want to get when we come home. Creating that peace and that calmness in the style that you love. There's nothing better than coming home. And to make it even better, knowing that you thrifted your house into a home. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I hope you click the subscribe button, hang out with us, and stay a while, and welcome to the family. Now, in my previous video, I talked about a bathroom renovation that was going on at one of the rental properties, and I realized I didn't do an update. So yeah, this one has been finished, and thank God it's completed and to our satisfaction. So yeah, I just wanted to share that real quick with you. Now, in this room here, I have to give a shout out to how my plants are doing in this video. That fiddle leaf, look how big it's gotten. I mean, this was a little teeny thing when I first got it. It's just taken off. I'm so proud of myself because I've lost a few of these before, and it's just I'm amazed at how this one's growing so tall. But yeah, and the Schleffera, that too is doing very well. So I'm going to give a little shout out for that corner in my plants there. And for this vase, I had some tree clippings again that I brought inside and gave the pampas grass a little rest for a moment. But anyway, I forgot I had this table runner that I thrifted a few weeks ago. And I said, wait a minute, when I was going through some things, I meant to bring this out and lay it across my table and see how it looked. So I finally decided to lay it out, and I was amazed at how much I liked it on the table. I was kind of afraid it might clash with the look, so I said, well, let me spread it out and see how it's going to look. And this is actually a hand-painted item. You could actually feel the paint on it, so it's not a screen print of this design, which made me even more appreciate the fact that I got it and that it looks good in the dining room. It's been years since I've had a full runner on this table. I used for the while now, I just had that little sample of fabric covered, just that little spot there. But anyway, I said, well, I'm going to pull it out and see how it looks, and if it's style, if the flow styles in here, I can keep it on there for a little while. It's not spring looking, but again, I just put things out whether it's that time of year or not. I go by looks versus season, so I don't, as I keep saying, I'm not really much of a seasonal decorator. I just kind of keep things or pull things out that comes to my eyes. But if I ever want season, I can always just add flowers or change a vase or change the pillows, maybe brighten up a space. But not in the dining room so much or the kitchen. Those pretty much stay standard. So let's see, take a look. Tell me what you think about this runner, if it goes in here or looks good with the table and the decor of the dining room. Yeah, I mean, don't be afraid to hurt my feelings if it just kind of clashes. I'm just curious as to your opinion, but I am going to keep it there for a while because it's a nice piece, and I thought about hanging it on the wall. It may go up on the wall later, but we'll see, because I did want to infuse, the African style into the chinoiserie style of the dining room. That was where my mindset was going when I did this dining room. So anyway, like I said, it still looks pretty good. The colors blend in there. I know I have that, but style wise, we'll see. Like I said, this cost me $10, so I am not hurting behind this financially that I got it. And the colors that's all in this fabric is pretty much all around the room and pockets of everything. But okay, so moving on to the one room challenge. This is the bathroom shelving that I had before. And, I took all of that down, and I was contemplating on putting everything back up the way it was before, and just pretty much all I was doing was changing the floor and painting. But then I thought, let me just go ahead and change out what the decor. So I went digging through my closets to find things, and I remembered I had another one of these juju hats, and see how it's got the green and the black look to it. That I thought would look perfect in the bathroom, so I'm going to play around with this in the bathroom. Then I found one of these pictures that I had. I've always liked this feather art, so I pulled that out. So I'm just kind of pulling things out that might, strike a fancy when I go to redecorate the bathroom, instead of putting the same things back in there. And again, this is stuff that I've already had. And I have this beaded plant holder. So I'm thinking about putting that in there and hang a plant from one of the corners. So I'm kind of toying around. I'm glad I have this stuff that I could kind of rotate around and not have to go buy anything else, because that's my goal. I don't want to buy anything else. I found this nice linen towel, which would look nice as an accent piece hanging to use. So we'll see how things go. I also pulled out these sculptured gazelles. They're like a metal, and I bought them from a thrift store we went on a bus ride to Atlanta, and they was at a thrift store there. I think it was called Thrift Value or something like that. But anyway, they were really cheap. But and I had bought them for my son's house when we was decorating his dining room, and they looked really nice. But when he moved from the house, he no longer wanted them. So I just said, well, I'm not going to let those go away. So I kind of did a little collage on the floor, and I'm like, this all looks pretty good together. We'll see how it goes in the when I hang it in the room. But here it is in his dining room, how I had it flanking his window treatments, and they looked nice up there. He didn't like a lot of heavy stuff, so I thought it kind of added a little kick to that space there. So between those and the curtains in my dining room, I'm glad he didn't want any of those. But anyway, that's all I have as an update so far for my one room challenge, and I truly appreciate you hanging in there with me. And while you're out there decorating your home, just remember, it's all about being home and loving it. I hope you enjoyed this so far. So if you did, go ahead, drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share. And I will see you again in the next video, because this is winding down now.